Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says, what does protoplast refer to? Option A, same as cytoplasm. Option B, the protoplasm of an animal cell. Option C, a plant cell without a cell wall. Option D, none of the above. What does the question say? The question says, what does protoplast refer to? So what do you mean by protoplast? Protoplast. What do you mean by that? Okay. So this can be obtained. Protoplast can be obtained when the cell wall is removed from either plant or a bacterial cell. Since this chapter speaks about culturing of the plant, that is tissue culture, so we will talk about that it can be obtained, okay, after the removal of cell wall from a plant cell. So it can be plant or even bacterial cell, because you can just mention, because why I'm telling you, because bacterial cell also has cell wall. So if you remove the cell wall of a cell, whatever is remaining is called as a protoplast. Okay. For example, you have a plant cell like this. Okay, and you have that is the cell wall, and this is the cell membrane, for example. And inside, of course, there is a huge vacuole, and you have tiny, mitochondria. Okay, then you have tiny chloroplasts, then ribosomes, etc. Okay, cytoplasm, all that. So this is what is this cell wall, and what is this? This is cell membrane. Cell membrane, you can also call it as plasma membrane, right? Membrane. Now, when we treat the cell with enzymes, that is lytic enzymes, which will lyse the cell wall, and what do we get is a protoplast. Okay, so this is just having the cell membrane, not the cell wall, because cell membrane has been digested by the enzyme. Okay, and of course now the shape of the cell will change. Why? Because cell wall is necessary for it to maintain its shape, right? But here it has become a different shape because it has lost its cell wall. Okay, and you will get rest all things will be the same: the vacuole, the mitochondria, the ribosomes, and you have the chloroplast. Everything will be the same. The cytoplasm, everything will be the same. Only thing is there is no cell wall. That's it. And what is this called as? Protoplasm. Okay, this is in case of plants. Okay, so let us see. What is the importance of this protoplasm? Actually, this will be taken for hybridization, that is the protoplast fusion. This will be used for protoplast fusion. Protoplast fusion, okay? So as to get a hybrid variety, that we will discuss later. So according to this question, let us see. What does protoplast refer to? Option A, same as cytoplasm. So it is not the cytoplasm, because cytoplasm is only that liquid, semi-liquid part, right? Okay, of the cell. That is not the cytoplasm, hence it is ruled out. Option B, the protoplasm of the animal cell. In animal cell, we don't call it as protoplasm because that is the cell itself. No cell wall is present. It doesn't have cell wall. So that is a cell. We cannot call it as a protoplasm. Hence it is ruled out. Option C says a plant cell without a cell wall. Yes, that is absolutely right. And option D says none of the above, which is ruled out. So what is the correct option? The correct option is option C. So let us conclude the answer. The answer is what? The answer is option C. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.